In this video, we will be discussing the difference between toast long and toast short. Generally, we think that long means that the message will stay on the screen for a longer time, and toast all and short means that short will stay on the screen for a shorter amount of time. But I'm going to put this to the test. I'm going to open the emulator and I have a button I press and it will show toast long and toast short. Let's get into it. Also, if you have no idea or no clue what toast is, I have a step-by-step video on the top right hand side of the corner and I'll show you how to make a toast message. Let's jump back to the video. Now that we're back on the emulator, this is toast long. Now let's go to toast short. Right now this is toast short. Now that we're back in Android Studio, you can see that toast.length long is the winner. It was longer than toast.length short for about a second, I'd say. If this helped you in any way, I recommend that you go to my channel and check out my other tutorials or videos. MaskedProgrammer out.